Welcome to our video, 5 Best Morning Drinks for Diabetics. Starting your day with the right drink can make a huge difference in managing diabetes, and choosing the right morning beverage can help stabilize your blood sugar levels, provide essential nutrients, and set a positive tone for the rest of the day. Before we dive into these fantastic morning drinks, please do us a quick favor. Click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. And ring that bell for future notifications so you don't miss any of our latest content. Now, let's get into the details. It's time to discover the 5 best morning drinks for diabetics. Starting our countdown at number 5 is lemon water. This simple yet effective drink is a refreshing and hydrating way to start your day. Lemon water not only quenches your thirst, but also offers numerous health benefits, particularly for those managing diabetes. The primary component of lemon water, citric acid, plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels. Citric acid can help slow the conversion of carbohydrates into sugar, leading to a more gradual rise in blood sugar after meals. This helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, preventing the spikes and crashes that can be challenging for diabetics to manage. By slowing down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, lemon water can aid in keeping your blood glucose levels in check throughout the day. Another advantage of lemon water is its low calorie and carbohydrate content. Unlike many other beverages that contain added sugars and empty calories, lemon water is virtually calorie-free and carb-free, making it an excellent choice for diabetics. This means you can enjoy lemon water without worrying about it negatively impacting your blood sugar levels or adding unnecessary calories to your diet. To prepare lemon water, simply squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm or cold water. This quick and easy preparation ensures you can incorporate it into your morning routine without much hassle. For added flavor and a visual boost, you can add a few slices of fresh lemon to your glass. This not only enhances the taste, but also makes the drink more appealing and enjoyable. In addition to helping with hydration, lemon water provides a good dose of vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that supports your immune system, helps protect your cells from damage, and improves skin health. Regular consumption of lemon water can contribute to your daily vitamin C intake, supporting overall health and wellness. Hydration is particularly important for diabetics as it helps maintain kidney function and assists in the elimination of excess blood sugar through urine. Starting your day with a glass of lemon water ensures you begin your hydration early, setting a positive tone for the rest of the day. Furthermore, the refreshing nature of lemon water can help wake you up and provide a natural energy boost without the need for caffeine. This can be particularly beneficial for those looking to reduce their caffeine intake or seeking an alternative to sugary morning beverages. Next up, at number 4, is green tea. This ancient beverage, revered for centuries, is well known for its potent antioxidant properties, primarily due to its high levels of polyphenols. These antioxidants play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and improving insulin sensitivity, making green tea an excellent choice for managing blood sugar levels. Polyphenols, particularly catechins, are the key compounds in green tea that provide its health benefits. Catechins help protect the cells from oxidative damage and reduce inflammation, which is often elevated in diabetics. By mitigating inflammation, green tea can improve insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to use insulin more effectively and thereby help regulate blood sugar levels. Another significant benefit of green tea is its caffeine content. While green tea contains less caffeine than coffee, it provides just enough to boost metabolism without causing the sharp spikes in blood sugar associated with other caffeinated beverages. This moderate amount of caffeine can help increase energy expenditure and fat oxidation, which can be beneficial for weight management, a crucial aspect of diabetes care. For the best results, it's recommended to drink green tea plain or with a splash of lemon. Lemon not only enhances the flavor, but also adds a dose of vitamin C, which can further boost the antioxidant effects of green tea. Adding lemon can also improve the bioavailability of catechins, making them more effective in the body. It's important to avoid adding sugar or high-calorie sweeteners to your green tea, as these can negate its benefits by causing an increase in blood sugar levels. To prepare green tea, simply steep a green tea bag or loose green tea leaves in hot water for 2 to 3 minutes. Avoid using boiling water, as it can destroy some of the beneficial compounds in the tea. If you prefer a stronger flavor, you can steep the tea for a little longer, but be cautious not to oversteep, as this can result in a bitter taste. Green tea can be enjoyed hot or cold, making it a versatile drink that can fit into your routine regardless of the season. For a refreshing iced green tea, prepare the tea as usual and let it cool before adding ice. You can also experiment with adding herbs like mint or slices of cucumber for additional flavor without extra calories. In addition to its benefits for blood sugar management, green tea has been linked to a variety of other health benefits. Regular consumption of green tea can help lower cholesterol levels, improve brain function, and even reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties contribute to overall health and well-being, making it a valuable addition to your daily routine. Coming in at number 3 is an apple cider vinegar ACV drink. ACV has gained popularity for its numerous health benefits, particularly for its ability to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels after meals. These effects make it a powerful addition to the diet of individuals managing diabetes. Research has shown that ACV works by slowing down the rate at which your stomach empties its contents into the small intestine. This process, known as gastric emptying, helps to prevent rapid increases in blood sugar levels after eating. By delaying the absorption of carbohydrates, ACV can lead to a more gradual rise in blood sugar, reducing the likelihood of spikes and crashes. To make an ACV drink, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water. It's important to dilute ACV because it is highly acidic and can cause damage to tooth enamel and the lining of the esophagus if consumed undiluted. For those who find the taste too strong, adding a teaspoon of honey can provide a touch of sweetness, but be mindful of the extra carbs that honey adds. You can also add a squeeze of lemon or a pinch of cinnamon for additional flavor and health benefits. Drinking this ACV mixture in the morning can help stabilize your blood sugar levels throughout the day. It's a simple and effective way to start your day with a drink that supports your metabolic health. Consistency is key, so incorporating this drink into your daily routine can lead to long-term benefits. Beyond blood sugar management, ACV offers other health benefits that can be advantageous for diabetics. It has antimicrobial properties that can help support digestive health by promoting a balanced gut microbiome. A healthy gut can improve digestion and nutrient absorption, contributing to overall well-being. Additionally, ACV has been associated with modest weight loss benefits. By improving satiety and reducing appetite, it can help with weight management, a crucial aspect of diabetes care. Maintaining a healthy weight can enhance insulin sensitivity and improve blood sugar control. For those new to ACV, it's recommended to start with a smaller amount, such as 1 teaspoon, and gradually increase the dosage to 1 or 2 tablespoons as your body adjusts. It's also a good idea to rinse your mouth with water after drinking ACV to protect your teeth from the acidity. At number 2 is chia seed water. Chia seeds have become increasingly popular as a superfood, and for good reason. These tiny seeds are packed with nutrients that offer numerous health benefits, especially for those managing diabetes. Chia seeds are rich in dietary fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. When soaked in water, The fiber in chia seeds forms a gel-like consistency, which can help slow the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. This gel-like substance helps create a barrier that slows down the digestion process, resulting in a gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. This mechanism is crucial for preventing spikes in blood sugar levels, which are common after meals. The high fiber content in chia seeds not only aids in blood sugar control, but also promotes digestive health. Fiber helps to maintain regular bowel movements and prevent constipation. It also acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut and supporting a healthy microbiome. A well-balanced gut microbiome is linked to improved immune function and overall health. Omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds are essential for reducing inflammation, which is often elevated in diabetics. These healthy fats support heart health by lowering blood pressure and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Antioxidants in chia seeds help combat oxidative stress, which can damage cells and contribute to chronic diseases, including diabetes. To prepare chia seed water, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds into a glass of water. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the seeds to swell and form a gel-like texture. This preparation makes the nutrients in chia seeds more bioavailable and easier to digest. For added flavor, you can squeeze in some lemon or lime juice, which also provides a boost of vitamin C and enhances the refreshing taste of the drink. Chia seed water not only helps with hydration, but also provides essential nutrients that support overall health. Hydration is particularly important for diabetics, as it helps maintain kidney function and aids in the elimination of excess blood sugar through urine. Starting your day with chia seed water ensures you begin your hydration early, setting a positive tone for the rest of the day. In addition to its health benefits, chia seed water is incredibly easy to make and versatile. You can prepare it in the morning or even the night before to save time. It's a great option for those who are always on the go and need a quick, nutritious drink. And topping our list at number 1 is cinnamon tea. This aromatic and flavorful drink has been celebrated for its potential health benefits, particularly its ability to lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Cinnamon contains powerful polyphenols that have been studied for their role in mimicking the effects of insulin and enhancing glucose uptake by cells. Cinnamon's ability to help regulate blood sugar levels makes it an excellent choice for diabetics. By improving insulin sensitivity, cinnamon can help your body use insulin more efficiently, reducing the amount of glucose in your bloodstream. This is particularly important for diabetics who struggle with insulin resistance. The polyphenols in cinnamon work by activating insulin receptors on cells, which allows more glucose to enter cells and be used for energy. In addition to its blood sugar lowering properties, cinnamon also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are common issues in diabetes, contributing to complications such as heart disease and neuropathy. The antioxidants in cinnamon help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and supporting overall health. To make cinnamon tea, steep a cinnamon stick in hot water for about 10 minutes. This method extracts the beneficial compounds from the cinnamon, creating a warm and soothing beverage. If you prefer a quicker option, you can use ground cinnamon by adding half a teaspoon to a cup of hot water and stirring well. Both methods are effective and offer the same health benefits. Cinnamon tea can be enjoyed plain or with a splash of lemon for added flavor and vitamin C. If you prefer a sweeter taste, consider adding a small amount of a low glycemic sweetener, such as stevia or monk fruit, which won't cause a spike in blood sugar levels. Avoid using sugar or high-calorie sweeteners, as these can negate the benefits of the tea. Drinking cinnamon tea in the morning can help keep your blood sugar levels stable throughout the day. Starting your day with this healthful beverage can set a positive tone and support your efforts to manage diabetes effectively. It's also a great way to stay hydrated and enjoy the warming, comforting flavor of cinnamon. Beyond its benefits for blood sugar control, cinnamon tea can also aid in digestion. It has been traditionally used to alleviate digestive discomfort and bloating. The warming nature of cinnamon can help stimulate digestion and improve gut health, which is beneficial for overall well-being. And there you have it, the 5 best morning drinks for diabetics: lemon water, green tea, apple cider vinegar drink, chia seed water, and cinnamon tea. These drinks can help you start your day on the right foot by supporting healthy blood sugar levels and providing various other health benefits. Remember, incorporating these drinks into a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle is key to managing diabetes effectively. Always consult with your healthcare specialist to ensure these drinks fit your lifestyle and won't interfere with your medication. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest health tips and information. Do you have any favorite morning drinks or tips for managing diabetes? Share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Also, don't forget to check out our merchandise for some great finds. And if you found value in this video, please consider sending us a super thanks. Your support helps us create more informative content for you. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and have a great day.